Welcome to USA Admission and Study Visa Process Guide, presented to you by Edfolio International Educational Counselors. Step 1. Submit documents. Submit documents for application process as per given checklist, and also pay the application fee if it applies. After submitting the documents, wait for 2 to 3 weeks for conditional offer release. Step 2. Submit financial documents. Submit the financial documents and I-20 amount, according to the requirements of the university which are mentioned in the offer letter. Wait for 15 to 20 working days for documents to be processed. Step 3. Apply for visa. Now is the time to apply for visa. Visa application fee is $160, and SEVIS fee is $350. After successfully applying for visa, it is time to appear in visa interview on the scheduled time that is appointed to you. After visa decision, you will be able to study in USA. Important notes: intakes are in spring, summer and fall. Financial documents include bank statements which show proof of the payment of 1 year remaining tuition fee and 1 year accommodation charges.